Getty Images, a name that's synonymous with high quality stock videos, photos, and music. For years, it has been the go-to source for professionals in the media industry, but with the rise of newer, more affordable alternatives, is Getty Images still worth the investment? As a blogger or an author or a videographer, one of the things I've always struggled with is finding royalty-free images that are affordable, because come to think of it, come on, these things really get expensive. Check this out. This is the pricing for Getty Images. You can see the large images, 4K and HD videos. You could pay up to $450 for 5 packs. Come on, like this is 375, 325, 300, 175, 160, 150. This is crazy. What if I told you that there is a way to get all of this and more for just $39? If you're new to this channel, my name is Obunaya Cheche. I help you grow your business online and do more sales and marketing. Like and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Now, if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you what this new deal is. It is super amazing. I'm going to show you how to get 175 million plus stock photos for a very crazy deal right now. Hey, I'm giving out a special bonus worth $50 to everyone who is going to watch this video till the end and find 2 emojis hidden in the video. So watch this video to the end and like this video, comment the 2 emojis you find in this video, and you get to win a bonus worth $50. Let's get started. Drum roll, here it is. All right, so introducing to you DepositPhotos, right? If you are an author, you're a blogger, you're a videographer, then DepositPhotos, it's for you. And guess what? You're getting over 195 million plus royalty-free stock photos and vectors. You get to captivate your audience with high-quality content from professionals all around the world. This is the perfect alternative to Getty Images and Shutterstock. All right. Now, one thing you should know is using it is easy. You could either search for an image or you could do a reverse image search on DepositPhotos. All right, so you can see some of these amazing images and photos that you can find on DepositPhotos. Wait, but how much would this cost you? Now, AppSumo does this amazing thing where you get lifetime deals, crazy lifetime deals. All right, so right now for this particular offer, you're getting 100 stock photos and vector image downloads of any size. All right, it could be small, it could be medium, it could be large, extra large, it could be super. All right, but you're getting this for just $39, so you're saving over $461. But that's not all. Wait, don't get DepositPhotos yet, because I have a special bonus pack. Here's what you get when you purchase DepositPhotos from me. All right, you get my Creator Economy ebook, you get my Creator Economy video course, you get my digital planner, you get a year planner, you get a daily planner, you get a Find Your Niche ebook, you get a Find Your Niche video course, and more than that, you get a 60 days money back guarantee from the DepositPhoto guys. All you need to do is scroll down to the pinned comment. You would find my affiliate link. All right, so that's my affiliate link. I get some kickbacks when you purchase through me. All right, and I'm here to help you. That is why I had to create this extra offer to make sure that you get to purchase DepositPhotos for yourself and for your business. Now, when you purchase, click the link in the pinned comment section, and when you purchase DepositPhotos from AppSumo, you simply send me a screenshot of your purchase and any other proof to my email below. Here's the email right here. So there are 3 plans. You could get the single for $39. You get 100 one-time photo and vector downloads. You could get the double, $78. You get 200 one-time photos and vectors download. You could get the multiple plan. All right, you pay $117 and you get 300 one-time photo and vector downloads. Okay, so any of these you get, just click the link in the pinned comment section, get it through me, send me an email with proof, and you get my super bonus offer. So don't just take my word for it. Here are what people have said about DepositPhotos. Right, this person says a subscription is a good option when you download many photos or vectors, but a lifetime deal like this is excellent. Perfect. This is a lifetime deal. It's just a great deal worth buying. This saved my business. Thanks AppSumo and DepositPhotos guy. All right, the deal saved me tons of money. So these are amazing testimonials from people who have bought DepositPhotos. So that's it, guys. Click the link in the pinned comment section, get DepositPhotos, and don't forget to send me an email so you can claim your bonuses. Cheers. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.